Today, let's use Photoshop's vanishing point to try to map the surface of a building. First, you can create any text and layouts that you want to map on the surface of the building. Remember to merge these layers, hold Command or Control, and click on the layer to create a selection, and then copy them. After that, create a new blank layer before starting to use the vanishing point. Simply go to the top menu, find Filter, and click Vanishing Point. In this panel, you can try to draw one side of the building's surface first. Then hold Command or Control to create the other side. Also, you will have to drag these anchor points to adjust. Finally, you only need to paste the text and layouts you just created, then drag the image, adjust the position. And the basic result is there. For better results, you can double-click this layer. Then, adjust the slider in the underlying layer of the layer style to make the text and layers blend in better. If you want to add any graphic after, it is also possible. You still only need to create any graphic, copy it, and prepare a new blank layer. Then go to the top menu again, find Filter, and click the vanishing point. You will find that the original vanishing point is already there. You only need to paste the graphics and adjust the position. Remember, here you can also use Command+T or Control+T to use the free transform tool to adjust the size of the graphic. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way, and also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.